Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So just a couple of seconds ago I set here my face recognition, and now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face. So just to test the difference between all the times and how fast the face unlock method is on this tablet. So I'll just check if I'm sitting in the right position. Okay, I'll do it by this way, sorry, but only by this way the tablet can see my face. So let's do it. So let's start. Sorry. 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock method is really fast here on this device. I just suggest you to use the face recognition method here to unlock your device. If you like some methods, just not like the pin and pattern, like something like the fingerprint or the face unlock. On this device, unfortunately, we have no the fingerprints, so I just suggest you to use the face unlock. It's work really fast here on this device, so that just I think less than 1 second to unlock the device. So as can you see, that's work really fast. I think this feature is really useful, so I just suggest you to try it to use the face unlock method on Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.